welcome back to Recreational Garage. In the last video we got the driver side mini tub in. This video we gotta finish wrapping up some of that install. There's still some welding to go along some of the seams. We have to take this trunk bracket and bend it so that it fits, so that it goes straight up and down, and then get it welded to the tub. And then we got to continue getting preparing the passenger side for its tub install. We have to weld the seat bracket back in on the front of the driver's side and take the seat bracket out on the passenger side. And then there's still some frame rail strengthening brackets that need to go in on the driver's side. So there's a lot of work. We probably won't get the passenger side tub installed in this, but we will get the old one cut out, and try to finish wrapping up a bunch of the little odds and ends bits that need to go with finishing the install of the driver's side. Anyway, let's get to it and see what we can accomplish. made some pretty good progress. Got this tub cut out. Got a bunch of welding done that I needed to on the driver's side tub. Still got to get the seat brace in there and work on that trunk hinge mount on the driver's side, plus some of the frame supports, brackets. But it's coming along. I didn't get out here quite as much as I was hoping to this week, but still made some pretty good progress. I decided to cut a bunch of that floor out with the plasma cutter because I saw how much I cut out on the driver's side, and I was being real careful over there, trying to take my time and stuff. And I think doing this will be just a little faster. I can take my time on the final bit, but I know roughly where the cut should be, so it should be pretty good. Anyway, we'll hopefully in the next video get this mini tub in. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.